I woke up to a moment I wish I never saw. Lil bro texted me, bro, mommy's dead.
Elegant Empire.
For a moment I was frozen like air left my chest. Phone fell off my fingers, heart pounding in my chest. I read it over slowly, hoping it's a lie. Maybe autocorrect mistake, which is a lie. But the words were standing there, like a knife in my soul. Bro, mama done the mortuary. God, I'm losing control. You said you'd see my crown. You said you'd watch me rise when the whole world gathers around. Someone help me, God, I'm losing my mind. Mama, miss you. Every little thing reminds me of you. Damn, I miss you. Even when I smile, I'm missing you. Cause I know your love still lives in me. Mama, carry on for you. You still had love to pour. You still had life to live. It's so sad you let go. It's more sad you couldn't hold. You were the strongest I've ever known. Now you left stories untold. Said you never wanna be a burden. Selfless till the very end. You weren't, so you let go, you left us.